Dialogue 10.
Whose bag is that?
I don't know. It isn't yours?
No, it's not mine. Is it hers?
I don't think so. Maybe it's theirs.
Yes, it's ours. Thank you. Used to. I used to play basketball. You used to eat ice cream. He used to study English. She used to go to school. We used to work at the restaurant. They used to live in New York.
Do you play basketball?
I used to play basketball.
Do you work at the restaurant?
We used to work at the restaurant.
Do they live in New York?
They used to live in New York.
Does he study English?
He used to study English.
Does she go to school?
She used to go to school.